Find a comfortable seated position, either in a chair or on the floor with your legs crossed. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap, whichever feels more comfortable. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth as you exhale. Release any tension you may be holding in your body. Now, close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to control or manipulate your breath in any way. Just observe it as it moves in and out of your body. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits your nostrils. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may find that your mind begins to wander. This is completely normal and natural. When you notice your mind has wandered, simply bring your attention back to your breath. You may need to do this many times, and that's okay. Now, bring to mind a situation or circumstance that is causing you stress. It could be something from your personal life or work life. As you think about this situation, notice any physical sensations that arise in your body. It could be tension in your shoulders or chest, or a tightness in your stomach. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, visualize yourself letting go of this stress. Imagine it leaving your body with your breath. Repeat this a few times, inhaling deeply and exhaling fully, visualizing yourself letting go of the stress. As you continue to focus on your breath, bring to mind a feeling of calm and relaxation. You may find it helpful to visualize yourself in a peaceful, serene setting, like a beach or a forest. Imagine yourself surrounded by this calm energy, allowing it to fill you up and wash away any remaining stress or tension. As you sit in this calm, relaxed state, take a moment to express gratitude for your body and your mind. Thank your body for carrying you through your day, and thank your mind for its hard work and problem-solving abilities. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Take a few more deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you exhale, imagine any remaining stress leaving your body. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel, both physically and mentally. Know that you can come back to this practice whenever you need to help you deal with stress and find calm in your life.